We know Marilyn Mosby is currently on home detention. We've seen her posting photos of her with that ankle monitor on. She is allowed to go to work, but right now she is unemployed. That's part of the reason why her attorneys are seeking this request. And now she's asking to be allowed to travel to New York City for another speaking engagement. We now know that barbecue celebration she went to last weekend was approved by her probation officer, but legal experts say Mosby's activity could be seen as a double standard. Marilyn Mosby is on the move. According to court documents, the federal judge approving her travel request to head to Northern California. Her attorneys say Mosby has a job offer at an undisclosed company, but she needs to travel to the company's headquarters for in-person training and orientation. During the visit, Ms. Mosby's employer will determine whether to move forward with an official offer. Mosby's attorneys outline in court documents. Judge Lydia Kay Griggsby giving her the green light. She'll be on the West Coast from September 29th through October 6th. But that's not all. In the latest court documents, Mosby's team asking the judge to allow her to head up to New York City from September 5th through the 7th. She has a contract for a speaking engagement at the John Jay College during the Mental Health Equals Mental Wealth Summit. This is an opportunity for employment, which is particularly critical because Ms. Mosby does not currently have any steady source of income necessary to pay her bills, according to her attorneys outlined in the court records. Adding this event could connect her to other speaking engagements. Mosby's team also asking the court for permission for her to attend a hearing in Boston between September 22nd through the 24th to settle her late grandmother's estate. But it's not just the jet-setting requests raising questions. On August 24th, Mosby was at a barbecue for her supporters in Clarksville, more than 20 miles from her Baltimore home. The barbecue outing approved by Mosby's probation agent, according to Mosby's legal team.
But Marilyn has been an exception to every rule. So the fact that she is able to have more flexibility than any of my clients is not at all a surprise.
Jeremy Eldridge, a defense attorney not affiliated with this case, says Mosby's barbecue celebration, while approved, could be seen as a double standard, especially since the judge departed from sentencing recommendations from prosecutors when sentencing Mosby to home detention.
But it certainly begs the question that if we're looking at the deprivation of freedom as a punishment in lieu of incarceration, does allowing an individual to go to a celebratory barbecue that's not related to her children, which was the reason for her lack of incarceration, really something that is teaching her a lesson or showing to the public that there was actually a punishment involved?
Judge Griggsby has yet to rule on Mosby's request to travel to Boston and New York City. I spoke with Mosby's probation agent, but she hung up the phone saying she couldn't take the call. I also spoke with the director of operations, who says she can't provide any details either. When it comes to Mosby's prospective job, it's unclear what exactly it is. All we know is that the company is based in Livermore, California. I asked her attorney to provide more details, but he didn't answer. In the studio, Mackenzie Frost, Fox 45 News.
I'm Kai Jackson. Thank you for watching. Here's another video to watch. Also, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel.